Well, good morning, my friends. This is Big Jim with the Big Giant Wrist. Once 8.5 inches, now about 8.25, a little less. So the big wrist is getting a little less big because I've lost 25 pounds in 7 weeks. I got about 100 pounds to go. But as you see here, we have a box from our friends at DavidSW in Florida. And I know what it is. You don't know what it is, but I know what it is. So we shall use my very dull knife and do an unboxing live on the big wrist. Doop-de-doo. If I can figure it out. There it is. Got it this way. All right. Wow, I don't even know how to tape a box up. DavidSW. This watch has been on my list longer than any watch on my list. So, nice box. Very nice. Packaging is good. Get everything out of here first. There is nothing else in here. That. Let's see what's in here first. I've never bought from DavidSW before. This is, a travel watch roll. Nice. Nice little present. It's good to get gifts when you spend this much money. It's nice, very nice. That's going to make a nice travel roll. Very nice box. Very good presentation. Give them a big giant A+. Now for the piece de resistance. Let's get this. I'm going to hide that tracking number. Some of you might know what it is, just because you know what I like. Yes, I bought another Tudor. This will be number 3 in my box of fun. Got to do a review for David S. He wants me to do a review at his website. So far, it's fantastic. 1-day shipping. Actually, I ordered it less than 24 hours ago. Ordered it yesterday afternoon about 4 o'clock, and today is 11:30 in the morning, so 20 hours. Nice. Do the box. Everybody knows the Tudor. Box is amazing. You know, they really do good packaging. And there it is, folks. If I can get it out of the box all the way. It is a North Flag, the Tudor North Flag. I have loved this watch since almost the time I first saw it. It came out in 2015 at Basel World. It was a brand new movement, completely different than their mainstay diver watches in the Black Bay 58 and the Pelagos. This was all new to them at the time. A big departure, a completely different kind of watch. Something I really appreciate, to see a brand go out of their way and do something cool. And today is the 6th. It is set for, wow, Las Vegas time. I'm telling you, man, DavidSW got the same class as my Black Bay 41s. It's got a couple of micros, 3 micros in there. All right, let's see if it fits the big giant wrist. I'm wearing the Casio Illuminator again. That thing has been living on my wrist. All right, the big giant reveal. Am I gonna have to get? Yep, I'm gonna have to find some links for it. It needs at least a link. I don't think it has any micros beyond what's on there. Gonna have to buy a link for it, folks. Yep. Unless I have something for it. I might have, for my black base, I might have a Tudor one. I don't think these are the same links, though. They don't look the same. This, yeah, these links are different. So we put this down on the watch roll. Try and keep from getting scratched at least for a day. Anything in here that I need to worry about? Hang tag, paperwork, Tudor warranty card. No extra links. No extra anything. I'll have to source a couple of links. I have a friend of mine who works in a watch shop here in Vegas. I will contact him, send him a message, see what his advice is. Very nice. But wow. Let's take a look at it. Let's do the unwinding. What do you think? Let me get this zoomed in a little bit for you folks. Buttery smooth. Buttery smooth. Watch that power reserve go up. What do you think? Yeah. Get that 70 hours. There it is. Smooth. There's the back. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, just amazing. Yeah, really nice. Gorgeous watch. I'm gonna need at least a link. I'll get two. Gonna have to order 2 links for it. Kind of what I suspected because of the big giant wrist. Yeah, 2 links will do it. Yeah, 2 links. Either an H or a, what do I need? On this side, it'd be an H on this side because it's, yeah. See the way the links are? This side ends with a more traditional link, and there's this piece in the center, and then an H, and this side actually ends in a one long link with this center link in the middle. So I'm gonna have to order the big giant H and a centerpiece. It looks like, my guess is this is 7 3/4 inch. So I'll order 2 links. That'd be more than enough. Probably 1 link, but I'm gonna get 2, just so I can have 2. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Well, that's my hands on. You know, when you have a big giant wrist, you have to suspect stuff's not gonna fit when you buy it. And this is one of those cases, just not gonna fit. It's already on the last end link. It's already on the last micro. So I will have to admire this and wait until I get a link in a couple of weeks. It's gonna take a while, I'm assuming. I'm gonna start calling around right now for links. You guys have a good one. Take care.